Hello and welcome to the Custom Constructor YouTube channel. This is an incredible workstation computer from March of 2015. The motherboard for this build is the Gigabyte GA-Z97X-UD3H-BK. It is an ATX motherboard, has the LGA 1150 socket, and the Intel Z97 chipset. It costs $137. The CPU for this build is the Intel Xeon E3-1220V3. It is clocked at 3.1 GHz, has 4 cores, and fits in the LGA 1150 socket. It costs $195. The CPU cooler in this build is the NZXT Respire T20. It has a CFM of 68.8, 34.0 dBA, and 1800 RPM. It's going to cost you $20. The graphics card for this build is the AMD FirePro V3900. It has 1 GB of DDR5 RAM and is clocked at 650 MHz. It costs $109. The RAM for this build is the Corsair Vengeance Pro series. It is 4x8, which is a total of 32 GB. It is DDR3 and clocked at 1866 MHz. Its CAS latency is 9, and it costs $330. For storage in this build, we will be using two Seagate Barracudas. They each have 2 TB, they each are 3.5-inch drives, and they each have an RPM of 7200. They cost $70 each. The power supply in this build is the Corsair Builder Series CX600. It is 600 watts, and is 80+ bronze certified. It costs $40. The case for this system is the Thermaltake Commander MS1 Epic. It is a mid-tower case. It has 5 3.5-inch internal bays, and it costs $50. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe if you're new. See you tomorrow.